This video is part 7 of an 8-part series. Make sure to watch all of the videos in the series in the order shown. Open these covers. Make sure the carriage is in the far right position. Inspect the detection plate. If it is soiled with ink, use a large cleaning stick dampened with alcohol to wipe off any ink deposits. Then clean the guards on each side of the plate. Make sure there are no tools or jigs inside the printer. Then close the covers. When you're done, select Foreign Substance Sensor. If all maintenance items in the list have check marks, select Finished. Make sure to watch the other videos in the series.